Just two good old boys. Never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw. Been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straight to the curve. You know that lightning the hell. Someday the mountain might get them, but the law never will. Making their way. System like a true modern day Robin Hood. Come on, Zach, you take it first.
Duchess of Hazard is commissioned an honorary citizen of the city of Hazard, Kentucky. Thereby I confer this honor with all rights, privileges, and responsibilities thereunto appertain. Done this 8th day of April, 2025. Congratulations.
We want to thank our law enforcement. They are wonderful. They keep us safe. They keep some of us in line.